Good morning and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your Amiibo without harming the packaging. Now there's a bit of sacrifices you may take, but it is worth it. It all happens under the hood, as you can see here. Now, reasons you may want to do this is you've bought an Amiibo, but let's say you, I don't know, want to scan it. Now you can take it out of the boxing without harming it, scan it, and then take the bottom piece out here and put it back in, almost like it was never taken out. Now we're going to be doing that, what I've just described, to my brand new Isabelle Amiibo, as I've done to my Bayonetta one here. Now, for step one, you're going to want to flip your Amiibo upside down. To start, we're going to cut 3 simple lines. One on the top, the side, and the other side. When you're cutting the sides, you want to make sure you're cutting it right on the corner, not just off to the side, because then you won't be able to pull the whole casing out, and it will not work properly. Now you're gonna want to be careful when you're cutting that you don't damage the paper insides, because you know they're pretty. You can fold it all the way up, and we're gonna be able to pull Isabelle right out of the packaging. So now I've just added some finishing touches, like making sure I cut all the way to the corner here, so that it'll be able to pull out nice and smoothly. And same with these corners, basically making sure that I made a perfect square to pull it out, or rectangle. Now that you have step 1 complete, you can move on to step 2 now. So, now we're going to want to pull Isabelle, or the Amiibo, right out of the packaging. Now for step 2, part 2. To take the actual Amiibo out. So a good place to pull out the Amiibo is its base, actually. You can pull it out from there, and again, being as careful as possible, and eventually it should come out. There you go. Here we have the Amiibo. So now you can take it out. And there you have it. Your Amiibo taken out of the packaging. So now we can just push it back in, and voila. And there you are. You have your Amiibo and its packaging separate and intact. And again, you could put your Amiibo back in the packaging as much as you like.